Good morning, I'm Vidi. This is Grandma's Kitchen, the only kitchen that doesn't use ginger. And we're starting a video with 3 wonderful recipes. Stay until the end and tell me which one you like the most. Chicken with tomato is easy, cheap, and delicious. You should make it daily. See how amazing it looks with that sauce. Affordable ingredients, which is important, and a simple recipe. We're using chicken with an amazing sauce, and you'll like it. Stay tuned. As the first ingredient, some simple sliced chicken breasts, 5 or 6 fillets, that's enough. We're going to season them with salt and pepper. In this case, I like coarse salt and freshly ground pepper. As soon as you have them, make a little pile and we'll go to the pan. A splash of olive oil, about 10 milliliters, and also 10 grams of butter, a little piece like this. We turn on the heat and wait for it to melt. As soon as it's ready, add the chicken breasts. Of course, if you want to do it with just oil, there's no problem, but the sauce turns out super tasty this way. Alright, first fillet, and we're going to place them all in there. If they don't all fit, don't worry. As they fry, they'll shrink, giving you space to fit the last one. Cook them on both sides until golden brown. It'll take about a minute. Medium-high heat. There you go. We flip it over, and there we have the little pocket we were talking about. For my last steak, in this case, there are 5. We want the chicken breasts not to be too thin. Don't overdo it. Just about medium thickness. Besides chicken, it also works with turkey, and exactly the same with beef. Just let it cook for 2 more minutes. It's amazing. You can choose any meat. It works well. And I'll tell you in advance that you can also make it with fish fillets. As soon as the fillets are nicely browned, we take them out and set them aside. Next ingredient, an onion. There we have it. We're going to cut it into medium-sized chunks and go straight to the pan. In the same oil and melted butter, we're going to brown our onion inside and leave it there while you move on to the next ingredient, which is 3 cloves of super flavorful garlic. We're going to slice them. And as soon as you finish slicing them, add them to the pan over the onion. Let everything cook together. It'll turn out spectacular. A luxury dish. We need tomato sauce. 400 milliliters in, fried tomato, homemade tomato sauce, ratatouille, tomato soup. That even works too. Whatever you want. The important thing is to give it a touch of sweetness. If it's very acidic, for example, if it's just grated tomato, then you add a little bit of sugar or a few spoonfuls of fried tomato so it doesn't end up too acidic. The final result? To give this future sauce a punch, a tablespoon of super Italian oregano and a pinch of thyme. And cook for 2 minutes on medium heat. After that time, we add the chicken back in. And here, we're going to cook for 5 minutes. Next ingredient, shredded mozzarella cheese. We put it on top of our fantastic chicken, cover it, and wait 2 more minutes until it melts. And from here, it couldn't be easier. Straight to the table. RISRAS. It's so delicious that I make it almost every week. A hearty dinner made with chicken breasts. Spectacular. You have to try it. You're going to love them. RISRAS. Who offers more? In second place, Magic Dinner, 5 minutes, €2. What more could you want? Incredible 5 little minutes, and the recipe is ready on your table. First ingredient, sandwich bread, which we also call bimbo bread. In some countries, it's called lactal bread. Tell me in the comments what you call it in your country. What we're going to do is roll it out with a rolling pin, and if you don't have one, you can use a small bottle. It's okay. Flatten it well until it's super thin. Next ingredient, 5 Frankfurt-style sausages. There you have them. Let's go to a pan, add a pinch of oil, and in to go our sausages. Let them brown. Now prepare the next ingredient, cheese. some slices of cheese that we're going to place on top of each of the flattened pieces of bread. There it is. In 30 seconds, the little sausages are ready, and what we're going to do is take them one by one and place them like this on the edge, on top of the cheese. Hot. That way, the cheese will start to melt and the next step will be super easy for us. I'm going to make 5 rolls. You can make more if you want. Here we go. We roll it up and place the sausage on the side. It's very easy. There's no excuse. Let's do the last one and soon we'll have them all looking this nice. Doesn't it make you want to take a bite already? But we're not done yet. We need 2 large eggs, the big ones. Put them in a bowl, a dish, or a plate, just like our grandmothers used to do. It's okay, it's just for the batter. Here they go. We'll add a splash of milk, Grandma's little trick. Also a pinch of salt and a touch of freshly ground black pepper. You know, I love freshly ground black pepper. Now we have it well beaten, and here we're going to dip our fantastic sausage rolls so they get well coated and then straight to the pan. It's hot with the same oil we used to fry the sausages, which is going to give it amazing flavor. We just place all the rolls in there. This is going great, friends. Look at the fantastic golden color of these rolls. As soon as you take them out, place them on a paper towel to absorb the excess oil, and the dish is ready. There you have them. Don't tell me they didn't turn out fantastic. There's going to be a fight to see who eats the most. A touch of parsley, a fresh aromatic touch, and done. Sausage rolls. A quick, easy, affordable dinner, and delicious, prepared in just 5 minutes. Here we go. I'm going to cut one open so you can see the inside. It's juicy, full of flavor, with the melted cheese. A marvel. In third place, healthy dinner. 5 minutes without an oven. All advantages. Only 4 ingredients, and in 5 minutes you'll have it on your table. How wonderful. Good morning, I'm Vidi. This is Grandma's Kitchen, and today we're going to make a peperonata. Do you know what that is? Well, stay until the end. It's a luxurious and simple Italian dish for a quick dinner. Let's start with the peppers. 6 of them, and if they're colorful, even better. We slice them. You'll soon have a pile like this. Next ingredient, garlic. 6 cloves of garlic to give it a super bite. We just peel them and crush them. Here we go, give it your all. We go to the stove with a pan, pour in a generous splash of olive oil, and brown our garlic in it. As soon as it starts to get some color, we add the peppers. We cook them over medium heat until they caramelize. About 5 minutes or so. Now, for our next ingredient, fried tomato sauce or crushed tomato, we add it in. Fried tomato sauce is perfect for this, you know. Pro tip. You can also use tomato sauce with crushed tomatoes. Add a pinch of salt to taste. Stir so everything mixes together. And now we move on to the star ingredient. 4 large eggs, size L, which we're going to place on top of the peppers. There it is. You've got it. So cover it and wait for it to set. There you go. The egg white will set and the yolk will stay nice and runny. That's it. To the table. There's your dinner, made with peppers and eggs, ready in 5 minutes. Peperonata, a dish inspired by Italian cuisine. Wow, incredible RISRAS. Who can top that? You have to make it. That wraps up today's show. I hope you enjoyed the 3 recipes. Comment below with your favorite, and remember to subscribe before you go. Turn on the notification bell so you get notified about my updates, and give me a super like. Thanks in advance. Love you all. Bye. See you in the next video, which will probably be tomorrow.